We're on a very windy road up a mountain to Virginia City.
Yeah, this is the truck route, so I think it's not quite as steep as the main route for the cars. I mean, it's pretty steep, we're climbing up the mountain.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's graded a bit so the trucks can actually make it up here, which is good news for the RV.
Yeah, we were going to have to abandon it because the other way we went said no trucks or RVs, so
Yeah.
we found another way.
And after our twisty mountainous drive through Route 66 coming out of Oakman, I didn't fancy taking my chances, but this looks fine.
So you got to go up Highway 341 all the way.
Yeah.
These houses are cool, aren't they?
Yeah, what a cool place to live. Hey
Hi friends! Welcome to the Friend Ventures YouTube channel.
I'm Lance.
I'm Emily.
And we're travelling in the USA with our baby Austin.
We've packed up our life in England and we've come over to the USA to buy an RV and travel all around the States, hopefully hitting every single one.
Everyone.
Subscribe to the channel to follow along with our adventures.
Gold Mill tours.
Train station.
We're in.
We're here, Virginia City.
Look at that place. Cool, cool, cool.
Look at this old building.
Museum.
Right, go park.
Got a bit of a hill to walk up. Managed to park on a side street, which is pretty good. And this is the main road just up here. See you up there. Just coming into town now. Bit out of breath walking up that hill. Check out the museum. They're heavily mining themed. Very cool. We are in America. Big time. What an awesome place. They've got wooden sidewalks, boardwalks. Oh, this is Emily. For sure. She's in there, look.
I'm in there.
I didn't even have to say anything. It's always Christmas. Forever Christmas.
The cow is so cute.
Hello. This is cool, isn't it? All the Christmas. Wow.
The old rocking horse.
That's awesome. It is extremely festive in this place. Like that one. Yeah, they're cool, aren't they? Make quite a good Christmas tree. Like these ones. Life is better with beer. They're cool, aren't they? Oh, if he was a little bit older, he'd be losing his mind in here. Just like you are.
Oh, they're cute. They're like bears and soup.
This place is legit, look at that. Red Dog Saloon. Fresh hot pizza, sounds good. I've abandoned my wife on the other side of the road. This place is just too cool to not check out. Cold beer, whiskey. Very, 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 very cool. It's just a shame there's so many modern cars. I love cars, but I can't ever in the effect here.
Oh, there's like an old time photo gallery. Oh, studio.
You've been wanting to get these done for ages, haven't you? This would be a fairly legit place to do it. This could be us. Don't know how well that will come out. That is cool. Oh, very cool. I want to have a look at the antiques mall.
Okay.
I love a good collection of random things.
Cut out.
Gifts. This. That's cool. What's the suicide table? We'll have to cut that bit to trigger people.
Do not touch.
Suicide tape. So, for instance, because of heavy losses over this tape.
$70,000. That's a lot of money. I imagine back then it'd be like millions.
Yeah. Oh, cool. That's a cool truck. Bullet holes in the glass.
That is awesome. See the inside. Oh yeah. Oh, they sold those in the shop down there.
That's amazing, isn't it? The buildings are incredible.
Little wagons and snakes, but
Ooh, knickknacks. The Wild West shows. That's cool. Wow. Very awesome.
Now it's the donut. What do you got?
What have we got over here? A ghost town tour. That's cool. What a cool place. I love it. What do you think?
it's really really cool.
Really cool.
Like,
We were worried about the road and I almost didn't come up here. And actually it wasn't very bad at all. Well, the truck route wasn't very bad at all. The other roads are apparently a bit notorious, so... Good decision. Virginia City Jerk Company and Smokehouse Barbecue. These things are soaking me. Got the menu down here. Ah, it's like it's raining. Got the smoker. That's good there. That looks legit. That's very cool. Ooh. Jerky. Alligator. That old fashioned one is probably the best one. Oh, that one. Ghost pepper.
I don't get these like slabs of jerky. I had it as well.
Yeah, that's cool. T-shirts, we can get a t-shirt. We can get a pint glass.
Excited for this, I'm hungry.
Emily's going to get some chili mac and cheese. I got a bowl of chili, because I like a bowl of chili. And baby gets milk. This is good. All hot and barbecue sauce.
Mmm.
I'm not sure which is which. I feel like maybe that one yours is a bit more bulgy.
Oh yeah.
Yours is like on top of mac and cheese.
Mmm.
See?
Taste of it.
Yeah, that's mine. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Good chili.
Mmm.
Yeah, I would bet on.
Mmm.
Okay. Emily has got chili mac and cheese. So somewhere under there is mac and cheese.
Mmm.
Mmm.
Oh, that's nice.
We are in a good place. Love it. Tin ceiling. What do you think, baby? It's good?
Hats. Oh wow. All the little toy ones. Cool. Hats.
I love this place.
It's very, very cool.
I could live in this place.
Mm-hmm.
I would accept having neighbours live in this place.
I would say this place over Oatman, if you're gonna pick one.
Oh, good lord, yeah.
This is like really, really cool. Really well done.
It's just as it was.
Yeah.
Obviously, then with a massive influx of tourism, but you know,
Yeah.
it's the original buildings.
They've got my favourite Australian licorice. Coca-Cola stuff. That's so cool.
Just noticed the gutters of the building. Come to the front and then they have that all the way along, taking over the porch.
Wouldn't
Yet effective.
want your car parked under there.
No. But they wouldn't have had cars then.
It's true.
Might have rained on your horse a bit.
Give your horse a bath. We just parked our RV for free by the senior centre. So if you bring in an RV here, There's some back streets. It's a little short walk, a few hills, but there's parking around.
We are on the side of a mountain, however, so a few hills to be expected.
Yes, but free parking. So
Free parking is the best kind of parking.
it is the best kind of parking. Hi friends, who just finished walking through Virginia City.
Virginia City, Nevada.
Yeah,
So worth a visit.
very worth a visit. Worth coming up the mountain for.
Yeah,
There's
really
just endless stuff to see and do. There's
Yeah,
so many attractions and shops and bars and
I should
restaurants.
spend longer here, I think.
Yeah. If we didn't have a baby, I mean, we'd be in those bars, I think. There's some pretty
The
spectacular
bars
places.
are amazing, just the
Really,
actual
really cool.
physical bar itself. you
Yeah.
know, and the saloons are just
So cool.
very cool.
Yeah.
Recommended.
So, highly recommend. Yeah, come check it out.
Thanks for watching, friends. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, do go ahead and hit that like button if you want to follow along with our journeys over here in the States and hopefully eventually everywhere else. Then please do subscribe, and
Leave us a comment.
that's our favourite bit.
Come and say hello. We love to chat with you.
Nice.
So drop us a comment below. And thanks for watching. Bye. Hi, little friend. Uh-oh, be careful.
Not the baby. Here's a normal egg, and then one of the chickens lays a little egg.